Hey and welcome to another episode on Soft Warrior. In this video we're going to try to understand if the NordVPN is a good VPN provider and how good it is. In the first part of this video I'll cover NordVPN main features and advantages that make it one of the best VPN providers. And later on we're going to purchase it and see how it works in real time on my Windows laptop and Android smartphone. If you decide to purchase the NordVPN plan, you may want to consider visiting this page here. I am going to add this link into description. If you go to this page, you could get 75% off if you sign up for 3 years. This bonus is only available from my page. Alright, let's go back here. First of all, what the NordVPN is and what they offer. NordVPN is a Panama-based company established in 2012. As of now, in 2018, NordVPN runs remote servers in 62 countries. This company owns more than 5,000 remote servers. Since they're based in Panama, it makes them protected from third parties asking for your data. They're not obliged to share your personal details, and they never will. NordVPN sticks to a strict no-logs policy. Some independent audit companies confirmed this statement is true. With NordVPN, you can connect up to 6 devices simultaneously. They also support double VPN for enhanced privacy. This VPN provider has built-in Killswitch feature. In case VPN connection drops off, your privacy will stay intact. Alright, let's try and see how all these features work in action. Now let's go to this part of this page and let's try and purchase a monthly plan for this video. Now I'm going to click Get 1 month plan. And I can see which features I get, and also it's nice to have 30-day money-back guarantee. I think I'm gonna pause the video now and enter my credit card details, and then we are going to continue from where we started. Now, as I have entered my email address and payment details, the payment is now succeeded, and they ask me to check my email box. So let's do it. Let's go to Gmail. And here I have my email from the NordVPN, and what I need to do is just to set a password and activate an account. Let's go and create some password here. I'm just going to create something simple I can remember for now, since it's just for the demo. But you need to create a strong password. Change password. And now we see the instructions on how to set up and start using the VPN. As you can see, it consists of 3 simple steps. Well, let's see. We already have started the download, and since my internet connections here is pretty slow, I'm going to pause this video for now and resume once the NordVPN setup is downloaded. So the NordVPN setup exe is successfully downloaded, and now let's click to open it. Let's confirm. And see how it gets installed. Install now. As you can see, the installation process is extremely easy. It's very user-friendly. and it's fast enough. Now it's already installed. And what we need to do now is to enter our email address that we have specified during the purchase. I'm going to blur my email address for the privacy, and the password that you have chosen on the previous step. And now just click sign in. Let's turn CyberSec on. Since it's introduced, it's a nice feature. It protects you from the intrusive ads, malware, phishing, and other fraudulent activity. It's a nice feature that NordVPN has created for you. Turn it on. And let's try to connect to some VPN server here. As you can see, here is the map, the world map, and you can choose any VPN server that you want. For now, let's try and choose something that's closest to me, and let's choose, since I'm in Thailand at the moment, I'm gonna choose Singapore. And it's connecting. So it's now connected. It took less than 1 minute to connect. And now let's try and check for some web servers to see which IP address am I using at the moment and where am I located. So let's go to Google and search something like my IP address and location. Let's choose this one, IP location.net. As you can see, it shows that I'm in Singapore, though I'm not physically based in Singapore, but the VPN, the NordVPN, works perfectly. What else? Let's try to change the VPN server to something else, to some other physical location. Let's try and choose United States, this server here. Let's just click here and wait until it connects. It might take some time during the first connection, since I haven't been using this program for a while now. I wasn't able to connect to that server by some unknown reason, but maybe it's just down for now. Let's just pick a country here and try to connect automatically. It's just going to find some other server for us. As you can see in this left menu, you can also choose a country and it's just going to find server automatically in that country. So now we're connected to the United States server, and let's go to this page, what is my IP address, and just refresh it. Now it shows that I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, US. So works perfectly, except the fact that it couldn't connect to a manually chosen server, but still it works fine when you choose the country and it connects automatically. Now what I wanted to see next is how much the speed is going to be affected by the VPN connection. Now let's just disconnect from the VPN for the moment, and let's go to speedtest.net. And let's test the speed without the VPN. As you can see, the speed of my current connection is not that good. This is the problem probably when connecting to a VPN server. But now, just to keep in mind, we are testing without the VPN. So it's my initial speed is 645 megabits. The ASP here is not that good. Now, as we have tested without the VPN, let's turn the VPN on in the US as we was using it before. Let's wait until it connects. Now as we're connected to the VPN, let's test again using the connection via VPN. Let's just refresh this page just for some case, and let's click go. So we're testing the speed of my connection after connecting to the VPN server. Wow, the speed is a little bit higher because there's probably the problem with my service provider here. As you can see, the VPN connection gives even higher speed. You can see that it's testing against Seattle because I'm using US VPN server. As you can see, the speed is quite good, and the NordVPN is not cutting off your speed much. In my case, it's even increasing the speed. Next step is we are going to set up the application for the Android and check how it works on the Android smartphone. So stay tuned. Now let's go to Android smartphone screen here, and let's go to Play Store and search for the NordVPN application. It's the first link here, so let's click install. Wait until it gets downloaded. Now it's installing, and it should be pretty quick. It's installed now, and let's click done, and let's open it up. As you can see, the installation process is quick and easy. Now we're inside the application, and you can see how the UI looks inside the NordVPN Android application. As you can see, we have list of countries here and list of additional features. Everything that we have on desktop app is still present in the mobile app. Now let's log in and enter our credentials that we've specified during the purchase. They are exactly the same. Now as we logged in, we'll enable the CyberSec and we choose the country to connect. And this time this will be Australia. As you can see, we have 5 servers here, and what we need to click is Quick Connect. Click Continue here, confirm all the restrictions. Click Continue once again. Click OK once again to continue to accept the connection request. And now we're connected to Australian VPN. Now let's go to a web browser and see our IP address and the location, same as we did for the desktop version. Let's search for my IP address and location. And let's scroll down here and choose IP location. This one here. Yes, this one. And you can see the IP address and location displayed is Hindmarsh, South Australia. That's right. NordVPN works for the Android smartphone same way as it works for the PC. That's it, guys. That's it I wanted to demonstrate you for today. We've went through the installation process of the NordVPN, the features, and the installation process of NordVPN on Android smartphone. Plus we've seen how it works, and we've confirmed that it actually works. And once again, if you decide that you want to give it a try, you may want to use this discount from my page, from my landing page here. I'm going to add this link into description to this video. So if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.